audience mo? Anong demographic ng audience? Every time na nagla-live selling ka?
Actually, it really depends on the product that you're selling. Sometimes, if it's high-valued items, syempre yung may mga potential buyers lang din talaga, such as, for example, I'll name na products sa mga brands, DJI, Insta360. So, yung price value nila, like Samsung, iPhone, nasa mga 50,000 pesos, 70,000 pesos. So, basically, yung mga bumibili, yung mga talagang mga buyers talaga na may buying power. Pero kapag yung mga binibenta natin, buy one, take one, yung mga mura lang, mga masa po yung pumapasok. There's this called, if I may share, yung ads. So there's this, what we call ads. So you get ads para mas tumaas yung viewers mo during the live. Sa ads po kasi, you can filter out kung sino yung pwede mong papasukin at saka yung hindi. So if you feel that the items that you're selling are high-valued items, you can actually filter that out, yung may mga buying power lang. Because I remember one time, wala kaming mga ads pa, nung time na 2023 pa, mga pumapasok sa akin mga students. So walang bumibili masyado. So through time din talaga, maiintindihan mo na how it works. Pati yung ads, how do you do ads, how you strategize, because our team also analyze the data. We data real time during the live. Alam namin sa bumabagsak, alam namin anong product yung dapat i-flex, ano yung mataas, so we can reach our target. Kasi they set targets eh. Like Shopee. Oh, for this live, I'm going to ask Ms. Kat, what's our target? So sasabihin, 1M for this live. Si Maxine, during her live, she was able to hit the target. Ang target lang 4 million, but she was able to surpass it to 4.4. So, depende po. Bawat live po, kaya may kanya-kanyang strategies kasi may target po na dapat i-reach. And you would also want to reach that target because the brands will give commissions to the seller.
So like, mga how much yung commission? How much you should
Range.
But at least may idea na.
1 to 5%. But sometimes, beauty brands, they can go as high as 10%. 10%.
So but anyway, yung pasukan siya ng bashers.
Yes!
Ayan, mga ilang percent na mamonitor.
Ang daming bashers din. Like for example, nagla-live ka, syempre dire-diretso po yung comments. May times hindi nyo